She's a tough one today, boys and girls. I've been following that green growth at the bottom of this maple grove. I don't know, followed it for a couple miles. No tracks. Well, old tracks, it's full of snow. Snowing good now. So now I'm working on going up over the top of this mountain and drop down in where we came up over yesterday. Go down through that witch hobble thicket, see if we kick up a track. I doubt they'll be up there, but I want to drop down in that thicker country we was, where we had that scrape line. Might lock out, but I think they've battened down the hatches today. But you can't just set a cam. You just never know when it could happen, but I don't think it's gonna happen out in the middle of this maple grove, so I gotta get up over higher. Yeah, but kicking up a good one. I think this will be a good day to find a nice thicket and have a little smudge when I have my sandwich. Keep an eye out for that spot. That'd be something to look forward to. We'll keep our eyes peeled. Visibility's low. Terrain is steep. Tracks are non-existent. But we're out here living it up. See what we can do. Hello everyone, welcome back to FBM Maine Outdoor Journal. This weekend, Memorial Day weekend, we're up in the beautiful Jackman area. We get to town this afternoon, got all settled in. We taking some rides around on some dirt roads, trying out a few brooks and ponds, see if we can pick up a trout or two. We came up here to try to find that GoPro I lost last fall deer hunting. If you remember that video. Tomorrow morning we're going to hit it bright and early. I got the track saved on my OnX. We're going to go up, see if we can find the hunt for GoPro 11. We're up here for a couple days. We're going to hit some more streams and ponds, do some exploring around, make a good weekend of it. So follow us along and we'll show you how we make it out.
Got my wormy on. Got the bar. We're just heading here to the waterfalls and then we're taking bricks out. Now, if anybody tried to canoe down there, they would be drowned. The canoe would hit a rock and crack in half.
Alright, whoop in, try her own. Yeah, hot start to the draw. Oh, don't get too close. Go stand up over here so the fish don't see you.
Hi.
Well, we didn't catch anything in that spot.
Nope.
Looked like there'd been a lot of people fishing there today.
Yeah.
A lot of tracks. Quite a trail down through there.
Yeah.
Hi, Hob.
It's the hunt for GoPro 11. Dun dun dun. As long as I have coffee, I'm gonna.
Well, we didn't find any trout last night. We tried a couple brooks, but a lot of traffic there. I think people are hitting them pretty hard this spring. So it's the next morning now, and we're hiking into where I lost the GoPro last year. I know about a half-mile stretch of where I lost it in that powdery snow. And I got the track saved on OnX, so we'll be using that tool. And we'll see if we can find it. Maybe we'll find some deer sign. Keep our eye out for some signpost rubs, but leaves are out pretty good here and the grass is coming up good, so it's gonna be hard to find a lot of sign, but hopefully we can find the GoPro. Well, we hiked about a little over 1.5 miles in this road into where I crossed. From here we got about a half-mile stretch of where I think that I dropped it, from between the point that I gave the last update to the point where I stopped to build a fire in a blizzard, and I was going to give another little update there, and I didn't have the camera, so we'll get that little stretch. We'll fan out and go back and forth, and hopefully we come across it. It's got a pretty good size handle on it, and it's black, so hopefully it'll show up pretty good on the ground, and we'll be able to pick it up. If we don't find it in this stretch, there's one little spot down over this bank where I actually gave the last update that we could drop down over there in the witch hobble and check that out. But we'll go up. I want to go up above and scout anyway, so we'll go up there first. How you making it so far, Jackman?
Pretty good. My legs are a little bad, not too bad. Probably not as bad as Ahab's. Pretty good.
How you making out, Ahab?
Good. Must not be. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can find the camera, and if we do find the camera, then we're gonna make our way down the mountain and head for a lake and go see if we can catch some fish.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea to me. Let's keep them on the loop, shall we?
Yeah. Yep.
All right. See you up there. Well, hello there.
Hi.
How did you make the winner?
How'd you make the winner? Yeah, how'd you make the winner?
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Yes! The GoPro 11!
There she is.
There it is. Good thing
We were almost, we only had about 200 yards left of where we, long stretch, half-mile stretch.
Can you believe it? Yeah, now we can head down the mountain to the frog pond first, and then we can see if we can get some frogs.
I don't know about that, but we'll definitely do some scouting around up here on top of the mountain. Black flies finally found us here. Nice, that was a good find right there. I wonder if she's still working. All right, we're gonna give her a test here. This had that new Volta handle on it. That's supposed to be 3 batteries worth, plus there's a battery inside. Let's see if she'll turn on after sitting all winter. Should be totally waterproof. And we got 3 bars left on the handle.
Nice.
And gotta find the right button here. She's not powering on for some reason.
Probably just needs to be charged, doesn't it?
Maybe.
We got.
I really hope it
batteries.
works, but even if it doesn't, it's a good trophy to keep that you found it.
Well, she doesn't seem to be working. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. We'll check her out, see what happens.
Yep.